Hi guys, come and pack Louise's 2 orders that have been combined into one. First, I'll show you all the little stuff that she got. Obviously, cute sleep mask, it's plush, it's cushiony. 2 of our beauty headbands. 1 scrunchie. Clip set. And then you've got booty bands. Also comes with a workout sheet of paper. We've got mascara. We've got sunflower studs. We've got the Thin Lizzy Blush Trio. Two of our Jade Roller and Gusha sets. Stunning. Two of those. Louise had said that she'd gotten some Mother's Day gifts to put away, so very smart woman. Also our Basic Beauty eyeshadow palette, the travel size. Our 3-pack of lavender soap. And then some Cutie Girls glasses, which comes in a bag, and also a glass cleaning cloth. Warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. I don't think your order is going to fit in one bag, babe. That's okay. So you're going to be getting it in 2 parcels, I believe. We're going to try, but I'm not going to squash it too much because it just won't close. We've still got all this to pack. So we've got our juniper jumper. Some beautiful, soft, comfy denim pants. Our Dala beige tiered baby doll dress. Our black mid-length jeans. our boyfriend style shorts. Our Jada black top with the buttons. Our Delaney denim jacket with the removable hood. It's got the clear buttons. We have our Kerry khaki pants. Nice, soft, it's like a buttery material. Our Dira black knit stretchy pants. And then we've got the Oakley black cardigan. Thank you for your order, Lou.